In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in this Dodge Durango key fob. This key fob was used on Durangos between '99 and 2003, and it takes two of these CR 2016 batteries. It's really easy to change a battery yourself at home. Just go ahead and get something like a flathead screwdriver and two of these batteries. If you'd like to pick one of these up online, I have left a link in the description. Just get a couple of them on Amazon for just a couple of bucks, and then just go ahead and follow along. First thing, we're going to locate on the bottom right side here, there is a little opening, a little slot. That's for opening this thing up. So we're going to take our flathead, insert it in, and just gently twist the screwdriver like that until we have created a little bit of a separation between the two halves of the key fob. Now, I'd like to go in there and just continue twisting until you can pull it apart with your fingers. Now we have our 2016 battery there. There's actually two of them stacked on top of each other. You can use this to get under it gently. I like to just go in with my fingernail, and you can kind of get under the top one and just lift it up, and it will come right out. And then this one can be kind of tricky. It sits down a little bit deeper in there, so what I like to do is push down on one side of it so this comes up, and then just same thing, pull it out like that. Take your two new CR 2016 batteries, positive side goes up, and you literally just click it in. Very easy. Positive side up goes right on top of the other one, and that's really all it takes. We are just going to click this back together, and we are all set. If you found that video helpful, feel free to leave us a like or drop us a comment. And for more information on changing the batteries for any of your key fobs for any maker model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com. Thank you so much for watching.